What if the most empathetic, efficient, and knowledgeable customer service representative at your company is not human at all? Industry data suggests that within the next few years, an overwhelming majority of customer interactions will be managed entirely by artificial intelligence. But this is not about the frustrating, rigid bots that forced users through endless decision trees. A fundamental transformation has occurred at the intersection of commerce and computation, driven by a new class of intelligent agents capable of understanding the deepest nuances of human intent. The era of simple, rule-based chatbots is officially over. Those legacy systems relied on fragile keyword matching, instantly breaking down the moment a customer used unexpected phrasing or presented a multi-step problem. Today, advanced AI chatbots are fundamentally reshaping global customer service operations. They have evolved from mere deflection tools into dynamic problem solvers, capable of engaging in fluid, context-aware dialogue that rivals human comprehension. This paradigm shift is powered by the large language model, or LLM. An LLM is a highly advanced neural network trained on vast datasets of human text, enabling it to recognize patterns, predict word sequences, and generate incredibly lifelike responses. Instead of following a hard-coded script, these models utilize natural language processing, or NLP. NLP allows the system to parse the grammatical structure, sentiment, and underlying meaning of a user's query, translating messy, conversational human input into actionable digital commands. When a customer types a frustrated message about a delayed shipment, the NLP layer decodes the urgency and specific entities involved, while the LLM generates a coherent, empathetic response. The architecture does not just read the current sentence, it analyzes the entire conversation history. This capability allows the intelligent agent to engage in complex, multi-turn conversations without losing the thread, remembering details provided 3 messages ago and applying them to the current solution. Understanding language is only half the equation. The true business value unlocks when these models are seamlessly integrated directly into enterprise infrastructure, specifically customer relationship management or CRM platforms. By plugging an LLM-driven bot into systems like Zendesk or Salesforce, the AI gains instant, secure access to a customer's entire purchasing history, past support tickets, and current account status. The chatbot transforms from a blind conversationalist into a fully informed digital concierge. Imagine a user contacting a telecom provider to dispute a billing error while simultaneously requesting a service upgrade. A legacy bot would force the user to choose one path, likely failing at both. An LLM-powered agent instantly queries the CRM, verifies the account, cross-references the billing discrepancy against current promotional rates, and handles both requests simultaneously. It can process the refund, provision the new service tier, and update the CRM record in real time, all within a single chat window. The operational implications of this capability are staggering. Customer service departments have historically been viewed as necessary cost centers, defined by high turnover, long wait times, and endless queues. By automating the vast majority of repetitive multi-step inquiries, companies are drastically reducing average handle times and slashing operational costs. More importantly, they are elevating the customer experience from a point of friction to a seamless brand-building interaction. This automation does not signal the end of the human workforce in customer support. Rather, it redefines it. As AI absorbs the high volume of routine transactions, human agents are freed from the drudgery of password resets and order tracking. They are repositioned as high-value escalation specialists. When the intelligent agent detects extreme frustration or encounters a highly sensitive, complex issue requiring true human empathy, it seamlessly hands the interaction over to a human, complete with a summarized brief of the entire conversation. The underlying technology driving this is a subset of artificial intelligence known as generative AI. Unlike older analytical models that simply categorize data, generative AI creates entirely new content, synthesizing information on the fly to craft personalized responses. To control this creative power, developers utilize prompt engineering. This is the precise science of structuring the hidden instructions fed to the model, defining its persona, its boundaries, and the specific rules of engagement it must follow when interacting with the public. Through rigorous prompt engineering, a financial institution can instruct its generative agent to maintain a highly professional, strictly compliant tone, while a retail brand might tune its model to be casual, enthusiastic, and heavy on emojis. These hidden architectural prompts act as the guardrails. They ensure the model stays on topic, prevents it from offering unauthorized discounts, and guarantees that the brand's unique voice is perfectly replicated across thousands of simultaneous conversations. The mastery of brand voice leads directly to hyper-personalization at scale. Because the LLM synthesizes data from the CRM in milliseconds, every interaction feels bespoke. If a customer frequently buys running gear, the chatbot does not just resolve their current return request. It proactively recommends a new line of moisture-wicking apparel tailored to their exact sizing history. Support interactions are quietly transforming into highly targeted conversational commerce opportunities. In the e-commerce sector, companies deploying these advanced systems are reporting unprecedented boosts in customer satisfaction scores and first contact resolution rates. Retailers are seeing intelligent agents successfully handle up to 80% of total inbound volume during peak holiday seasons without breaking a sweat. The ability to scale support capacity infinitely, instantly, and without hiring thousands of temporary workers provides a massive competitive advantage in a volatile global market. Looking ahead, the trajectory of this technology points toward predictive, proactive customer service. Future iterations of these models will not wait for a user to initiate a chat. By continuously analyzing telemetry data, product usage patterns, and CRM signals, the AI will identify friction points before the user even recognizes them. The chatbot might reach out via text to inform a user that a software glitch has been detected on their account and has already been resolved, completely eliminating the need for inbound support. Naturally, this rapid evolution introduces critical strategic challenges. The deployment of generative models requires rigorous data privacy protocols to ensure sensitive personal information is not inadvertently memorized or exposed by the neural network. Furthermore, companies must combat the risk of hallucination, where a model confidently presents incorrect information as fact. Establishing robust verification layers and confining the AI strictly to verified corporate knowledge bases is essential to maintaining consumer trust. The deployment of LLM-driven chatbots is no longer an experimental luxury for forward-thinking tech firms. It is rapidly becoming a baseline requirement for survival in the modern digital economy. Consumers are being conditioned to expect instant, accurate, and deeply personalized assistance 24 hours a day. Organizations that continue to rely on rigid decision trees or purely human-staffed queues will find themselves outpaced by competitors who can deliver immediate resolution at a fraction of the cost. The integration of large language models into customer service represents one of the most immediate, tangible, and transformative applications of artificial intelligence in the business world today. It bridges the gap between raw computational power and genuine human connection. By fundamentally changing how businesses listen, understand, and respond to their customers, these intelligent agents are not just answering questions, they are architecting the future of brand loyalty.